Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I'm Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real shares, my real money, all of my money. Even though the $1,500 was left in the checking account, it's all put in here now. Because why? Well, I earn 4.5% with Robinhood now. So what is the point of leaving my money in the bank? It's now all here earning interest as well. So we're getting 1% for our stock lending. We're also getting 4.4% on our cash. And everything else is invested 100%. All right, what a great afternoon. Opportunity knocks here today. So we've had the CPI report this morning, inflation cooling, but it presented a pop, an opportunity to trim and to buy back again. Great opportunities today, so we're looking fantastic. Let's have a look at our position right now. Here's my overall position. Here is the Roth IRA down, and my all-time record high was 51,400. So we're $360 off that high today. I would have trimmed off the top this morning if it wasn't for Robinhood logging me out for a security check, and I would have bought back this morning, so this afternoon. So I would have had a great day, but not too bad. Nothing really went low enough for me, but an opportunity is all over the place. So let's go through our position right now. If you didn't see today, we've had a record number of short videos today put out for your information on different things. Let's have a quick look. Let me show you what we had. Look at all this. Look, we've had nearly 1,000 views, 896 views in the last 55 minutes just been put out. All these shorts for you are all pumping at the moment. If you want to get information on in short form, like 20 seconds each, IonQ, Virgin Galactic, Tizro, Virgin, Bitcoin, Space, and there's more. Just 30-second clips if you want to catch that. We're moving up today, 7,185, 86. It's been a very busy day today. If you've just come on in, please do smash the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. We are here for you this afternoon. Don't forget, you've got just a couple more days left of our biggest ever discount in our shop, 25% discount. All right, let's go straight into our trades, see where we can find some opportunity to make some money. Let's have a quick look. All right, let's bring on the ticker for all the information that you need. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, multiple websites, and of course the home of our show is here on YouTube. Okay, let's have a look. Who was here first? We've got Crag, Fight Channel. Here he is. How is our Barbie doll channel today? Fight Channel, I think it was you. Thank you very much indeed today for retweeting some of my posts. Thank you so much. I saw that on Twitter. Thank you very much. Good day, says Crag. Gents, Malk UK, how are you? Mike, how are you, Mike, this afternoon? I hope everybody's well. We had a good morning this morning and now an even better afternoon. Opportunities are everywhere. What do you do if a stock where you started a small position is starting to rally and there could be regrets? It wasn't a bigger position. Well, that's called FOMO, fear of missing out. You never have that. You've already allocated what you want to invest. You've already done your balance. You know why you invested in it. Too many people are investing in prices rather than companies. Don't do that. Understand what you're investing in and you make your decision. Just because it goes down doesn't mean to say it's got cheaper or better. It could be going to zero. A little bit like Virgin Orbit, for example, about to be delisted. That doesn't mean it's a great buy because it's 8 cents. It means it's being delisted. Okay, carry on. Mike, hi, Mike. How are you? And ETORO, it sounds to me like you would benefit enormously from being a member of our channel. We could do a lot more for you. And, of course, you can win 15 hours of tuition learning all about trading and investing on chart reading and candles and so on for free. And you get a $100 gift as well for doing it. Make sure that you take part in that. There's our invitation to join. Let's have a look at our giveaway. Here's our giveaway right now, and as we can see, 572 tickets. I can tell you now, there's just 26 people in the draw. That's it. 1 in 26 chance of winning. And if you've decided to get more tickets, then your chances are increased. So good chance to win our $1,000 value prize. So you want to make sure that you remain in. That's my best tip for today. I wish I could win it. I tell you what, I would if I had the time. I certainly would want to. Mike, how are you? Good evening, Malk, says Crag. Maximilian, any updates on VORB? Yes. I put out a video just explaining it on the channel. If you want to go below the channel and have a look, if you go down to on the channel here and you look for shorts, these are look, Virgin Orbit. These are the videos that have just come out. 2 Virgin Orbit videos. Nice short videos for you. In just the last few minutes, had 571 views. This one here, just in the last few minutes. So yeah, a lot of people are after that information, and there's a long form video coming out later as well. These are just leading up to it. Stephen Lewandowski, how are you? I'd like to know how pros deal with stuff like that. There's no drama, there's no stress. I have to tell you, when I first started ETORO, I was always stressed. I was always in and out, chasing stock. It's the lesson we all have to go through. Learn to be in control of your emotions, really. It's very, very, VORB delist on April 13th. Very well do. The information's coming out later. Fight channel, go onto Discord. If you've got any extra information that I can add to my video, let me know. If you've got any links, you've got access to Discord, please do that. Here is the Discord link. I'd love to get any more information I can. All right. Okay. All that extra information is coming out soon. 22, most big banks report next week. That's why the market will be locked at to see what state the economy is in. So we're going sideways. Sideways is your friend. You can find opportunities. There's always little ups and downs, and a chance to get more in. Very good. Stephen Lewandowski, hi. Silver Surfer, why hello there. Good to see you. Stephen Lewandowski, hi to you. Have Loop Your Music channel. Thank you very much indeed. I will tell you now, we are just a few minutes away from 3,200 hours. Thank you ever so much, everybody who is looping my music. We want to get to 4,000 watch hours as soon as possible. Here is the link to my music channel. Pick a playlist. Got the Virgin Galactic single, the Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit after parties. Whatever you like, there they are. Deal today, Virgin Orbit after parties. Whichever one you like, it doesn't matter. Just let it loop and stream. 3,200. We're just a few minutes away from that number. We need to get to 4,000 as quickly as possible. Thanks to all of you for doing that. Craig, how are you, Craig? Martin Vega, hello, good afternoon. Any news on Virgin Galactic today? Had a big drop. Yes, that is exactly what was expected today, and that's why I've been holding back and doing it again. I'll be buying it at 318. I could buy it now if I wanted to, as it slows down. So there you go. My Roth IRA is down to 1. I've scalped it again. Taken profit again, back down to 1 share on the Roth, not the brokerage account. The brokerage account has 336 shares, as you can see. I want to mass it back up to 4,000, but right now the Roth IRA is down to 1, as you can see, boom, and my buy order is at 318. There it is. Lower my averages, keep buying lower. That's where I'm buying it back in again. Have patience. Do your research. Find what the value of the stock is, not what the price is. 22, okay, and if the stock goes up and you think you missed out on a bigger total return because you just started to build a position, don't ever worry about what you did or didn't make. Just be concerned about what you did make. It doesn't matter what you missed. Look, every day I don't go to a meeting or a networking meeting, I miss out on getting a gig from someone. Doesn't matter. I'm investing on myself on this channel. Every time I don't buy a lottery ticket, I'm missing winning the lottery. Doesn't matter. As long as you are growing and you are learning, you are winning. And I try to make $200 a day from my portfolio. That's it. That's my target. That's what I aim to do. Everything else is just gravy. It makes no difference. I might become a sponsor soon when I've written my book and finished my NFTs that accompany the book. Would be conducive to your channel or not? Yes, it would. Yes, it would. I would love to have you as a sponsor. Because that subject matter would suit the channel, which most importantly would benefit you because you want the right people to watch and then to support your business. So that would be good. Two, I'd love you as a member because I can trust you and I know it would be good for both of us. And most importantly, I think it'd be good for you. Yeah. I'd love it. Love to know more, Silver Surfer. Excellent stuff. ETORO, you concentrate on the profit you are making and don't worry about what ifs. Exactly. That's what I just said. Unity glide flight tomorrow if weather's okay. Update to FAA to follow. I don't have that confirmation, M4TTD, but I appreciate your insight there. 10 cents away from Virgin Galactic buying again. This is okay. Makes sense. It does. I believe you got a reply from Barbie, Mike. Did I? Did I get a reply from Barbie? I've not had a chance to look. Hey, long time no see. George. Hey, how are you, George? Lovely to see you again. One of our members. Lovely to see you. How you been? How have you been? Hey, George, you're one of our members from quite a while ago. So Vor will do this tomorrow and won't be traded. I don't have that confirmation. I'm just saying that. A lot of rumours going around. I'm really interested in facts, not just rumours. Hi, George. How are you? I've been getting my capital back up. Yeah. Okay, good. I hope you have. I've got all-time highs here now. I've not gone anywhere. I've never left for a minute. Never left the market. Here's my position right now for you, George. I know you've been following the show for a while. Here is, for the very first time, I've got a decent amount of cash, which is earning 4.4% in Robinhood. I've got 1% I earn on my stock lending. And our balance is 50,922. Our all-time high was this morning at 51.4. We're $500 off the all-time high, but that doesn't concern me. I haven't sold any of my shares. I've got no margin. I've got no stress, no risk whatsoever. Really long term. I'm just using this as an opportunity to buy more. I've got the $1,000 which is staying there. I won't use any of that. What's your handle, Twitter handle, Silver Surfer? Drop that in, Silver Surfer. What is it? Roth IRA is dropping. That it is an opportunity now about to present itself. Let's go back and have a look. We're about to pick up some all-time lows by the looks of things. The S&P. First of all, it's 4.76. Got another couple of percent to go before I buy any more. Mr. Lucas, here he is. Mohammed Kahine, one of our biggest members here, one of our gold members. Mr. Lucas, no bull market this year, 2025, when we can maybe see good profits. You can make money all the way through a bear market. Let's just be absolutely clear, Mohammed. If you've got the right portfolio, let's be absolutely clear. There is always ways to make money. Look, year to date, I'm up 7.6%, 7.4%. I've been making money all year consistently. I try to make $200 a day consistently. $2,600 since January. My bottom was in December. Always opportunity. And I'm excited about seeing Virgin Galactic go to 318 again. I'm about to do it all over again. Wow, you keep growing in the channel and capital. Absolutely. Keep growing all the time. Never look back. Always optimistic. Use every single thing to your advantage. Absolutely right. Okay, here we go. Let's look at what's next. The S&P, still too expensive. Not buying it yet. Virgin Galactic, 328. Okay, we're about there. We're about there now. 318. In a minute, I'm going to buy a very small position in Virgin Galactic again. And then as it drops, double all the way down to $3 again. You ready? We'll do that in a minute. Virgin Orbit out, delisting. No, don't want it. Rivian buying at 9. Tesla, I'm buying at 150 now. This is great. If we go down another $3, I will buy one. I will buy one at 177, and I'll buy like 4 or 5 at 150. So we're watching that. Keep our eye on it. Lucid. Remember, we don't need to look at it. We can just we can set our limits all the way down. I'm always amazed at how the market reacts to data without reading between the lines, then takes all day to adjust. Just shows how much trading is automated and algos. It does, but it presents opportunity for us. Very easy to make money. The hard part is to control your emotions and keep it. Lucid, here we go. We're getting near a buy now. We're getting near a buy. Lucid, I'm going to buy Lucid around about $6. It will be there soon. Deep in the money. I always see good work with Martyn, both on the financial aspects and music. I always see a good work with Martyn. Deep in the money. Lovely to see you here. You're not a member anymore. I thought you was. Anyway, here is our Discord link if you want to call into the show and talk to me off air. Here is our invitation to join. Remember, if you rejoin within a short period of time, you hold your history, and you want to do that because the benefits to our original members when we hit our 2 years and 1 million views are going to get better. So make sure that you remain in. As you can see, we got 25% discount in our shop, which ends in 2 days' time. We're very excited to announce our very best ever giveaway. $1,000 value giveaway, our biggest ever giveaway. Here it is. This is where we do all our giveaways. And you can win with just one ticket. It's like buying a lottery ticket, except it's free. I give it to you. You can win with one ticket. And every day I release new opportunities to get new tickets. There you go. If all of those are ticked, you've done everything. And please read the rules so you don't miss anything out, and so on and so forth. Shall we update it? I don't think it's moved in the last half an hour. 572 now becomes 572, I'd imagine. Yep, the same. Didn't think it had moved in the last half an hour. There you go. It's $100 cash and 15 hours of one-on-one tuition with Ed Nevius about scalp trading, swing trading, chart reading, the whole lot. Plus $100 in cash. Fantastic. How about Tilray? Are you holding? Yes, I am holding. Your video is coming out later about Tilray and Germany. I've done more research on it. Tilray, I bought back in at 260, then bought back in at 250. My next buy-in is at 205. That is where I've set it. Bitcoin is up 0.76, looking very nice indeed. End phase is down. I'm buying some more soon. Back to Virgin Galactic, 318, just 10 cents away. Won't pay a penny more. Martyn has OnlyFans. Martyn does not have OnlyFans. Martyn does not have OnlyFans. Have a quick sip of Coke. That's better. Okay. Where are we? So, great. Virgin Galactic, 327. We make money on the way up. We make money on the way down without using margin, without using options. It's easy once you get hold of your emotions. That's the hardest lesson you learn is getting hold of your emotions. Ali-hoo, 180 now. Tesla. Oh, very good. Very good. Just a few dollars away and I'll buy back in again. Lucid. I think we'll probably rally a little bit to the close. So get ready for a little bit of profit taking in a minute. Let me look at Tesla now. Let me have a look at this. $177. That's where it's going to bounce from. Over the month. Over the 3 months. Over the year. Let's have a look. Back to here. 108. It's not going to go there now. Okay, we start buying Tesla now. Start buying Tesla. Now then, if you've not, I'd like your comments on this video here. Be really kind. I'd like your comments on the CPI data today. It's a 15-second video. Here it is in the chat. It's on Twitter. I would like you to comment, please, on that video. Comment and a retweet would be really cool. If you want to like it as well, it would be great. There it is. This is the CPI data. Good or bad news, you decide. The inflation hot, if you can. I want to highlight your comments there. I've just given you the link in the chat. I'll give it you one more time. just drop a like on that one. And if you've not yet followed me on Twitter, that's where I post my information before or an after. Oh, that was quick. Someone jumped straight. Oh, there we go. That was quick. Oh, look at that. It's going up. Let's watch it go up. Let's watch it go up. Go on. It's on 3 likes. Look at that. That went up instantly. 71 views. Look at that. Go on. Someone smash the like. Let me see it. Let me see it move to 4. And then I'll come straight back. Go on. Let's get our first comment on there. And you ready? Go on. Go on. One more. One more. It's a 15-second video on Twitter. Just follow me on Twitter if you don't already do so. And about the CPI today. And let's get one more. I'll give you the link. Watch it go. Oh, someone just retweeted it. And remember, for all of you on Twitter, I will tag you from time to time in my viral post. If I get a viral video, which we will soon, as we approach 1,000 followers, we will. It's taken a while. It's very hard to grow on Twitter, but we'll get there. Go on. Who's going to become my 4th like? Just want one more like. There's a link in the chat. Leave me a comment. Smash the like, and go on. I want to come off it. Someone just do it. Give it 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Tesla's about to be bought. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Damn it. It's not going to happen. I'll come back to it in a minute. Come back. We can't stare at that all afternoon. There you go. If it goes to 4, I'll come back to it. Right. Tesla, 180. I do want to get a bit more Tesla, but I'm waiting for it to come back down. Remember, you've got to look at this as an old school money as well. It's 8, 16, 24. So 1, 2, 3, $540. That's kind of where it is now. Hey, I knew you wouldn't let me down. There you go. So 3 comments and there you go. 2 retweets and 4 likes. Let's have a quick look at the comments and see what you said. Do you think? What do you think of the inflation situation today? You like it? You happy with it? Was it a good result for you? I'm very happy with it. I'm very happy with it. Let me see what comments I got and I'll read them out. Mike, crazy market. Crazy market. So there we go. Silver Surfer. Silver Surfer. Oh, I like your logo, by the way. Let's have a look at that. Mike, it's a crazy market. So I'll tag you in my post. Look, there you go. I bought a mug, by the way. I will reply to those in a minute. I think it's good news, but then I'm a nurse, not a real trader. There you go. More important, much more important thing you are. Much more important. There we go. I'll come back to that in a minute, and I'll make sure I comment to all of you so you can grow on Twitter. That's what it's all about, right? Okay, 180. Down 3.1%. Buy a Tesla. Limit order 181. 1 share. Good for the day. Yeah, I'll go through now. Review the order. Buy. Oh, you are absolutely kidding me. You're absolutely kidding me. Right. Well, you know what I'm going to do. Rather than that, you're not going to do that to me again. There's no way you're doing that to me again. I'm not going to get caught like that. That's bloody ridiculous. I'm about to scream at the flipping. I'm doing it on here. Buy. Limit order 181. Limit order. I'm doing it on my phone. 181. I'm going to call Robinhood about this. Continue today. 181. Numbers of shares 1, not 11. Whoops. Review. 181. Tesla order completed. Done. Okay. Now I've got 9 shares. There you go. I just did it on my phone. So, yeah, we're not getting logged out and going back in again. That's getting absolutely flipping ridiculous. Anyway, about to start and scream and shout then for a moment. So I did it that way. I'm sure it's a glitch on Google Chrome. Yeah. There you go. I bought it. I got 9. There you go. 1.6. So let's see. Let's see if it pops up. And I want to sell 2 shares of Tesla now. I want to sell 2 at 190 now. Why would you do a limit order above the market? Because I wanted it to go through. That's why. I wanted it to go through. And I've discovered if you are doing a limit order on Robinhood and you are happy with the price where it is now, if you put a limit order in, $1 more, doesn't matter. It'll go through at where it is now. If, however, you just do a manual buy at where it is now, very often it will go higher. So just experience. Best thing in the world is experience. You can read what you like, but experience is everything, right? I've done it a million times, and every time I want to buy a stock, if I just go buy, it doesn't necessarily go through at 180.96 where it is right now. It'll just go through at 181 or something like that. It'll go higher. But if I set a limit order, it will always buy at the price on the screen, but it just guarantees it goes through. So that's why I do that. Because if I put 180.81, you have to allow the half a cent for the market maker. It wouldn't have gone through. So they rip you off at market. No one rips anyone off. I paid the price I wanted to pay. Look, it's at 180.70. Look, let's be absolutely clear. 180.70. Look, I paid the going rate. I paid the going rate. I paid the lowest price. Perfect. That's the way to do it. That is the way to do it. So no issue whatsoever. It went through where I wanted it. And there are the reasons I use a proper broker. Things like that don't happen. What do you mean don't happen? It worked. It worked perfectly. No fees. Instant. By the way, something very interesting that you might all find interesting. Since I hit 50,000 a couple of days ago in my overall portfolio, Robinhood. This is why you like Robinhood. Robinhood, not that it's relevant to me at all. Robinhood, I've just increased my immediate deposit to $250,000. I can deposit $250,000 into my brokerage account and it's instantly there. Which is great, right? However, immediate for buying. I can spend $250,000 immediately. However, when they go to the bank and realize there's not 250 grand in there, I will be penalized, and because I've got like $200, $300. Once that happens, they will take that away and I'll never get it again. So it's like having margin for a day without having margin for a day. So I could just go, right, $250,000, $250,000, let's buy Virgin Galactic, it's going up 10%. Make myself $1 gazillion, sell it, send it straight back to the bank. Very, very risky. Not going to do it. I'm just telling you another little loop you can get round there. But anyway, 250 grand. That's because I've passed 50,000, or the standing of my account. That's basically what they've done. Anyway, one share should make a difference and go through at the market price you see. Anything other than that, you're being fleeced. 22, I get that. But when it moves quickly, sometimes it moves up and down. I've seen it happen. You taught me that. Either you or Market Profit was never just go buy. Never just go buy. Always go buy with a limit order. It protects you and makes sure that you get the price you want and you're guaranteed not to pay any more. So that's why it's important. So I'm always going to do that. What's the insurance of Robinhood? 212 is 85 grand. The insurance now on Robinhood is $250,000 in stocks. It's 1.5 million on cash, and it's going up to 2 million on cash very soon. So more money than I'm ever going to have protected. FDIC for my cash, and the SPIC, I think it is, for stocks and shares. All good. Safe and secure. We did a video all about it. If you didn't see the video, what would happen if your brokerage went bust? It's here in the video. I give the exact figures. I had Robinhood on the phone, and here it is. If you didn't see it, what happens if your What happens if your brokerage goes bust? There you go. What happens if your brokerage collapses? You want to know exactly how much money you're going to get, exactly how it works. If you've never seen it, This is the ins and the outs. I spoke to Robinhood, got it directly from the horse's mouth. There is the video. If you've not yet seen it, go and have a little look. Tells you everything you need to know about the FDIC, SIPC, whatever. I get it back to front. It's probably called dyslexia. I don't know. Anyway, not important. You know what I mean. Let's have a look. Robinhood. Let me read this down. No, Robinhood provides 1,000 instant buying power. They do for you. They provide me with 250,000 now. Sammy? No, Robinhood provides an instant buying power. It depends on your balance, Sammy. Depends how much money you've got. Depends how much money you've got in your Roth. Depends how much money you've got in your brokerage account. I can assure you, for me, it is 250,000 now. It was upgraded yesterday. So, Sammy, I'm 100% certain on that. 100%. In fact, I might still have the email they sent to me. Just bear with me. I know you, and now you're all good. Everyone's questioning me, going, "That ain't right." Yes, it is. Everything I say is 100% true and verifiable. And let me just go back to my bin. I put it in my bin earlier. Robinhood, easy cleaning, LinkedIn, YouTube, Webull, England, Virgin Galactic. Just bear with me. Your GIF stock. Robinhood, you received Doge. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right. I can show you. Okay, here we go. I'm so glad I kept this because I don't like when people question me like that because I want to be able to show you. Your deposit limit has increased. Great news. We've increased your daily deposit to $250,000. So you can now do even more with Robinhood. There you go. Okay. I can now deposit $250,000 instantly on Robinhood in 1 second. I don't have to have the money in the bank. Now, obviously, if you don't have the money in the bank, when they go to the bank to draw it out, remember, all the things you get on Robinhood, they upgrade your account depending on how you use it. If you get pattern day trading, you can't have stock lending. If you get pattern day trading, you can't earn interest. There's all these different little hurdles you go over. The account constantly upgrades itself. So because of the balance I have and the history of my account, my deposit limit is $250,000 now. So that's pretty good, right? It's pretty good. I was explaining the other day as well how to get your credit rating up. This is all part of that. This is all part of your credit rating. Your credit rating is connected to your social security number. They know what my social security number is. So obviously all of that is important. And anyone can have a perfect credit score. It's not how much money you've got. It's what you do with the $1 that you have. Remember, I was bankrupt years ago and I have 999 out of 1,000 in the UK. That's the highest you can get. In fact, 999 out of 999. And in the US, it's 850. I've currently got a credit score, I think 823, something like that. And I've only been in the US 6 years. And some people who've been in the US all their lives have a lot less than that. And that's not because I have more money or I'm smarter than anyone else. It's just I know how to use my credit to get the highest credit limit. And that's part of why Robinhood has given me such a high deposit amount. Okay. So, Sammy, I hope that answers your question. You can get higher. The next one will be $500,000 when I reach 100,000, I believe. Stephen, glad to see you. Lovely to see you, Paddy. That's a hell of a lot more than 212. Yeah, Robinhood, in my opinion, I've said it over and over again. In my opinion, it's the best brokerage in the world. I've tried loads of them. And you don't need the complications of all the other sophisticated stuff. You do your own research. You read your own information. Robinhood, as far as I'm concerned, is by far the best brokerage out there. I agree with low volume trades, but large caps, the liquidity is so great that you'd be able to execute at market and not mess around with limits. But why? Why take the risk? 22. It's there for you. Positive and negative spillage. A buy limit at 100 could get filled at 99.98, 100, 101. I think it's always worth doing a limit order. I've never had any negative spillage. It always goes through at the lowest price. On my Robinhood account, it's always the lowest price. I've never paid a penny more. I'll watch after your show. I think I was on nights again. Okie dokie. Agree, 22. It's also how 212 make their money with wider spread than the real market, but it's free. Yes, it's free, but I don't lose money. I always get the lowest price anyway, so it's irrelevant, right? Hello, everyone. Paddy, how are you? Where does it say you don't have to have the money in the account? Well, obviously you don't. Obviously you have to have the money in the account, because the reason why Robinhood have given me such a good number is because every time they go to my account, my money's there. My money's always gone in. If I transferred X amount of money and when they go to pull the money, it's not there, that would be a negative on my account. That would negatively impact my credit score because you've got a return. It would be negatively on my record with Robinhood. So it's because they pay me, I add the money every time. However, if I did it now, for a joke, try to transfer $250,000, they would go to my account, not find it, and they would reduce that. My level of trust would be gone and never to return. So I'm never going to do that. On plus 500, they require your bank to approve it. There's no bank approval here. It just builds up your credit by your experience with Robinhood. They've told me that on the phone. If you use your account wisely, they will take care of you, and that's basically it. And that's it. That's why I have it. If I do a transfer, deposit funds, I will show you right now. Look, I'll show you right now. I can do this right now. Okay. Hang on a minute. I'm just doing it right now. 200, whoops-a-daisy. Okay, all right, here we go. Look, there is no limit. There it is. Transfer money, $250,000. Right there. Right? Transfer $250,000. And at the bottom of the screen, if I go to here, hang on a minute, I need to bring up this screen here. You can see $250,000 will be deducted, $250,000. Let me take away this screen here so you can see. There you go. There you go. $250,000 will be deducted from your bank account within the next several days. It takes up to 5 business days to transfer, but I have an immediate $250,000 immediately in my bank, in my brokerage, ready to buy. My God, I better not click on that. So it's all about handling credit. And that's an example of how to handle credit and get a good credit score. Some people now would click on that and go, oh, I'm going to do it. I'm going to buy some Tesla. Well, then you'd be destroyed because your account history would be destroyed. You can't, crazy. They would shut you down. I'm not going to do it. And they know I'm not going to do it, which is why they'll give me even more next time. Anyway, let's go over here. Where does it say you don't have to have the money in the account? You don't. You don't have to have the money in the account. but it will bounce if you do. Surely you can't trade with $250,000 if you haven't got 250. I don't understand what it means. Surely, well, what it does, 22. Be absolutely clear. The moment I transfer of $250,000, because my credit score with Robinhood is perfect. My credit score generally is perfect because my history with them is perfect. If I go transfer, they allow me to spend 250 grand. That's it. They allow me to do that because I have built that trust with Robinhood. That's how it works all the time. That's how it's always worked. They allow you certain amounts as you grow in your account. It's just got upgraded. Surely you can't trade with $250,000 if you haven't got $250,000. You have $250,000. They will put that in your bank because they trust that you have that amount. It's built up on trust. If you don't, then you'll get in trouble, won't you? I don't understand what it means. Deposit limit sounds like they limit what you can deposit. Doesn't sound like a perk to me. What do you mean? How is that not a perk? If I want to invest $250,000 today on my portfolio, any other brokerage, I have to wait for it to arrive. Robinhood, because of our relationship, are saying you can invest that right away. So if I knew Tesla was going up today 100% and I wanted to buy $250,000 worth of stock, I can buy it. However, if I do that and the money's not in my bank in a couple of days' time, Robinhood will shut my account down. They'll go, you're a liar. You know, we can't trust you anymore. So that's how it works. It's a trust basis. That is a very good perk. Very good perk indeed. Phenomenal. Hello, Red Day in the market. Sensei, how are you? Can you not type in 300 grand? No, because that would be too much. You wouldn't allow me to put 300 grand in. If you send me the 250, I will send you 5 million within 5 minutes. I get people on TikTok like that all day long. All day long, people on TikTok say that to me. How you doing, Ale? George Semaine. When I set a limit, I place a price a few cents over the current price. Yes, that's what I did. That's what I just did, Eric B. It works very well. And it always goes to at a lower price than I set. Just a Robinhood thing, I guess. There you go, Eric B. Robinhood. It's way better than any other brokerage. I love it. So they let you use the funds before they have received them from your bank. Correct. Because it's a trust. You have built up a relationship with Robinhood. I've invested now consistently for 1.5 years. I've managed my account. I've built up a trust basis. They are basically honoring that I can have an instant deposit. Yes, you are transferring. You've never lied. You've always transferred and it's always gone through. So they're saying to me, fantastic. You want to transfer $250,000? We believe you have $250,000. That is exactly what I'm saying. That's an amazing perk. An amazing perk. But again, I will only do that if I have $250,000 in my bank and I want to invest it. I'm not going to do it to try and scam Robinhood because the only person I'm scamming is myself. I want a perfect relationship and I want a perfect credit score with Robinhood and everywhere else. So it'd be pretty pointless not to. Bahamas bound, Andrew. Good evening, Paddy. I'm doing well, George. Lovely to see you, Ale. Lovely to have you here. I doubt they will allow it. Allow that. No, Sensei, they do allow it. I can... Bloody hell, guys. I've shown you the bloody portfolio. I've shown you the email. They do allow it. When I started, I had a $1,000 instant balance. I could bring in $1,000 and I had $1,000 to spend immediately before it even arrived. That was the benefit of being a gold customer. Then it went to 5, then it went to 10, then it went to 25, then it went to 50,000, and now it's gone to $250,000. And I've tested it every single time. It does work. But Martin, only a few minutes ago, you implied that you could use 250 grand to make a risky investment. I can. If it shoots up, but you won't take that kind of crazy risk. Well, of course I won't. No, it'd be irresponsible, wouldn't it? I'm just telling you I can bring in the money. That's all. Surely the broker is taking on too much hassle to take that risk. The risk is mine. It's not their risk. It's mine. It's my responsibility. It's my relationship with Robinhood. I should have asked the insurance question. It's snowballed. It's not really a deposit limit. It's a credit limit, isn't it? I get it in that case. Yes, it's a credit limit. You're allowed to have that money in your account and buy shares with it. It's called instant deposits. It is. Starting to get frustrated with space. Lewis, it's exactly as I said. You shouldn't be getting frustrated. It's exactly as we anticipated would happen. No, it should be no surprise to you at all. Look on the balance sheet. Look on the cash burn. Virgin Galactic is running out of money. Richard Branson is not backing Virgin Orbit. Richard Branson probably won't back Virgin Galactic. He's not been on camera. He's not been interviewed. He's not appeared anywhere. Virgin Galactic, great technology. No matter how much you love it, it's not a great investment anymore. Things have changed, right? So, it's still got some time to go. It still belongs 10, 15% of my portfolio because I want some high risk to get to my 100 grand this year. But here we go. Buy space. 335. 100. Review the order. Buy. Back. That's the security. I'm doing it on my phone instead. Sodom. I'll get round it that way. Trade. Buy. Limit order. Limit order. 335. Continue. Extended. Today. Continue. 100 shares. Review. Done. Okay. Just bought 100 shares of Virgin Orbit. See it jump to 101. So what's happening is Google Chrome is constantly logging out. So it's not remembering that I've logged in. Anyway, so it's just a very small amount. I will start buying. 318 is my number, but with 10 minutes to go. So what I intend to do is not leave it overnight. I intend to sell it in the next couple of minutes if I can. It might be a small trade, might make $5, but hey, it's worth it. You're not special. That's a perk. I didn't say I was special. Sammy, I never said I was special. No one's special. No one's treated specially. It's how you manage your account. Never said I was special. It's the amount you've got in your account, how you use it. If you do transfers and don't get the money to go through, then you won't be able to use it. It says in the terms and conditions, if your account gets refused to bring money in from an instant deposit, you won't get that. So Sammy, you misunderstand me. There's no I'm special. Never said that whatsoever. Anyone can do it, but you have to manage your account a certain way. If you don't manage your account a certain way, it won't do that. So it's not I'm special. It's just follow the rules. And it's nothing to do with gold either. It depends how much it's nothing to do with gold. It's how much money you have in the account. How are you, Mohammed? I'm holding long term on Tilray. Down for now, but up eventually. Trying to see. Oh, yeah, Sammy's as a member. Just making sure Sammy's a member, yeah. Please move on, Martin. Nick Leary. Yep, easy, Nick. It's his show. Yeah, Nick, I answer all the members' questions. With the greatest respect, Nick, you are a guest. You are not a member of our channel. My members pay for their questions to be answered. Everyone gets an answer. If you go and watch another YouTube channel, no one's going to answer your questions. No one's going to put you on the screen. No one's going to care you're there. I answer everyone's questions, but I prioritize members. And so there you go. They just don't get it. They do now, Nick. That's why I explained it. So no one is confused. No one has any misunderstandings. So there we go. Go look Silver Surfer. Should they have a quick remittance check to prove you have the funds? No, they don't, Silver Surfer. There's no remittance check at all. Margin tomorrow. Arnold the Palmer constantly talks about margin, even though I've got no margin. I don't know why he always says that. Robinhood will send you a query to your bank before initiating and another transfer will see it. No, that's not true, Sensei. I've asked Robinhood that, and they do not do that. They do not do that. That is not the case. I asked Robinhood that. They do not do that. The element that helped CPI come down shot up today. US oil futures mark highest settlement since November. Thank you very much, 22. Great information. Ale and Alicia from Italy, thank you for that. Yeah, I said that, Sensei. Makes sense, but that's not how it works, though. Word on the street is AMV as a big announcement shortly, reflecting the last 2 days. Have you discussed it? George Semaine, AMV is not a stock that I would touch. Good man, Martin, get some more. You like that, did you? Only a small amount. Hey, Malk, how's it going? Good to Discord in general, Chip, to have a laugh. Has nothing to do with stocks. Thank you very much indeed, Mike. I'll have a look in a sec. Mike, superb old Polaroids. Love the finger, said George Semaine. I'm not quite sure what that is. I'll go and check in a minute. Just watched the beginning of the show. I appreciate your comments earlier, 22 and Martin. ETORO, we're here to help. Answer everyone's questions. Malk, how are you? The EU are drowning in Germany's plans for legalising weed. I became a supporter of Brexit today. I had high hopes of Tilray, but these EU plonkers are screwing it. Indeed, it's not coming yet, so that's why Tilray isn't looking so great. Right, Virgin Galactic is trying to push up. I intend to take a scalp trade. Very small amount, but that's my plan. Wow, that's brilliant. Slap 250 grand on a risky play. Either make 500 million or run away from the US. There, that's it. Yeah. What the bloody hell's the point? Yeah, but the thing is, Sensei, let's say I use money I haven't got on Robinhood. Let's say I transferred $250,000 and I bought Binky Bonk coin and it went up 1,000,000% in 3 seconds and I sold it in 3 seconds. And I started to transfer my money. And said, right, I'm going to get out and I'm going to run to Hawaii. It takes a couple of days for my money to go back. So Robinhood would make sure the money came in before it went out. So Robinhood aren't stupid. They're not going to allow me to run and nick all the money. So it works from the point of view of I can invest and I can get on with my business of trading, but then I can't just sell it in 5 seconds because the stocks haven't settled. Even though I can sell them, the money won't be available to me. It'll be in my brokerage account instantly. But remember, these are all unsettled amounts. And then I go cash out. It'll take a few days. Robinhood won't release the funds. They won't release the funds out of my account until the money that came in covers it. So you're not going to be able to run off and hide under a bush. Anyway. Okay. Virgin Galactic 328. Let's have a look now at our overall positions. Anyway. We're not going to behave like that anyway, are we? Investing down 0.92. Roth IRA. It says I got $540. I've got more than that. I've got $2,000 there. It's because there's money earmarked. 50,842. So we're down $600. $550 today. No, 550. Yeah. $550 today. We want to try and turn that around if we can. So let's come back to Virgin Galactic. We're going to buy more at 318. What are you going to do? What are they going to do? Seize the 1 million? Well, they're just not going to allow it to be paid out in your bank, are they? That's all. It's quite straightforward, isn't it? Anyway. Let's have a quick look where we are. Just see how many people in the show. It's a very quiet show today. 37. Only 37. People don't like bear markets. Never understood it. People come on when it's a bull market. I never understand. The time to make money is in the red days. That's when you go to work. The green days, you just sit and watch it all go up again. Never understood why the shows are busier on the bull markets. It's the very opposite of how it should be. I never understand it. Bye, Nicola. Why, is she nice? No, thank you. That's not for me. Arnold, if you became verified, we could see why you like these stocks so much. I can't look into that. Let's read some of these comments here. Hey, Martin, you need to show off Mike's photos from Discord. He's the dude. All right, let's go and have a look. Let's go and have a little look. Virgin Galactic, 5 minutes to go. I want to get a quick pop if we can. If not, that's fine. General chit chat. Where are we? General chit chat. Oh, look at this. Is this Mike? Easy Rider? Is this Mike? Look at this. This is Mike. Very cool, Mike. Look at you, look. Hey, this is Mike, by the way. See? Look at this. Like the bike, Mike. Like the bike. That's a good bike. I like that. What is that? What is that? Is that American Harley Davidson? Is it? It looks a bit different than a Harley, but I'm sure it probably is though. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah, that looks like a Harley Davidson to me. Look at that. Hey. Nice one, Mike. Look at the car, look. He's quite a little dude, isn't he? Mike, look. He's like Easy Rider. Cool dude. Love it. Thank you very much for that, Mike. I'll have a closer look at that in a minute. Nice one. Very, very good indeed. 1978. Some people are depressed by their positions during a bear market to switch off until it recovers. That's the worst thing you could do. It's the worst thing you could do. People that make the money are the ones that fight on during the hard times. Dig the ditches. Get ready. Not sit out and watch. What's the point? When it goes up, it just goes up by itself. It doesn't require any work. Anyone can make money in a bull market. You sit back and it goes up and up and up. Make your money in a bear market, surely. Anyway, everyone does it their own way, right? Virgin Orbit. The good old days, Mike. Oh, the good old days. We sound like a bunch of old men, don't we? The good old days. Right, let's get ready to rock and roll. Aha, George. Indeed. I agree, but then that's the mentality of a lot of people. It makes no sense. Put the work in. Don't be so lazy as you are. Get off your ass, make it happen. It's called investing after all, right? Isn't it called investing, or is it just sitting on your money and watching it grow on your phone? I thought it was investing. Investing is researching, reading balance sheets, learning what the company are doing, seeing what's going on, and investing. It's not just... Anyway, whatever. Rivian, Tesla, 180. Got 9 shares now. An average of 170. Very nice picture, by the way, Mike. Yes, I like it. Rivian, Virgin Orbit, Virgin Galactic. Here we go. 1 minute to go. (1974) he graduated. That's about the same time as me. No, that can't. No, of course not. Hang on. That can't. No, I was born in 1969. So how did I graduate in 1974? I was thinking that's the same as me. No, it can't. What did you do? Graduate when you were 5 years old? What am I talking about? Don't listen to me. Investing is spraying and praying. Spraying and praying. All right, here we go. Go back to your old Tesla position. I missed the Tesla bull in you. I've got Tesla. I've been buying more. Look, I've got 9 now. The thing is, Mark, a lot of people can't do or add cash. The bear markets are best sat out rather than losing a load of on the drop. Hang on, no one earns less than me. Nobody here earns less than me. I earn about $5-6 a day. No one. That's not true. That is not true. I earn about $6 a day. No one earns less than me. So to say no one can afford to invest is ridiculous. If you can afford a pint down the road, you can afford to invest. I don't buy a pint. If you buy a cigarette, you can afford to invest. I don't buy a cigarette. If you buy a pair of Nike trainers, you can afford to invest. I got bare feet. I'm sitting here with bare feet. I don't have a car. Sold my car. Stay in the house, work, get on with it. No one earns less money than me. I earn $4 a day. No one earns $4 a day. I'm the only person here who earns about $4 a day. I don't believe a second of it. Right, Bell's gone. Tesla still going down. Virgin Galactic. Is it moving? You may miss some of the bull run, but at least you don't get stress. Getting stress in a bear market is not because the stocks go down. You get stress in a bear market because you haven't educated yourself and you haven't invested in your own skills of emotion. That's what I learned. I learned that when I started doing this, all I reflected on was the stock price. Forget the stock price. Now I reflect on the company that I'm buying in, so I'm happy to buy it whenever I have the funds to do so, or whenever it's a good time. But most importantly, I invested on myself, my education. Most importantly, though, my temperament to the understanding of the market. The best investment you make is yourself, not the stock price, not how much money you've got. So to say it's stressful in a bear market, it isn't. It's stressful in yourself if you don't understand. Learn. It's like when you get a flat pack wardrobe. You either, two things you can do: educate yourself, read the instructions, plan it all out, build it successfully, no stress. Or think, I know everything, I can build the flat pack, open the box, start putting it all together, everything goes everywhere, now you're stressed. Was it stressful putting together the flat pack, or was it stressful that you didn't educate yourself? I say it was stressful that you didn't educate yourself. So rather than thinking, I can make money, I'm clever, I've got a phone, I've got an app, educate yourself first. And I learned the hard way by making the mistakes over and over again. All right? You graduated from nursery in 1974. Yeah, that's right. Investing is putting your time and effort into something. It requires some kind of sacrifice and risk. And that's what most don't understand. MSK, you're absolutely spot on. And the best investment you make is yourself. Keep it lit, Mike. George Summit, I earn $4 a day. I don't believe it. I am George. It's all right. All stocks running again. ETORO running. I've made about 50 NFTs and earned 0. After 100 hours, I win. There you go. Martyn, there are people who are retired, etc., and they are living off their investments. You are adding funds regularly. I'm adding funds regularly. Well, I know some people have got more and less, but everyone around me has got 1,000,000 times more money than I'll ever have. And they're all buying new cars and going on holiday. I'm sorry if that sounds judgmental, but I do believe that anyone can invest. Even if you, even if you work at McDonald's and even if you earn the minimum wage, you can invest. It's just a matter of choices. And I know I've lived on nothing. So, I think it's fair to say I've got the experience there. Why are you being interrogated tonight? Pete, it's all part of the show, mate. Sorry, Martyn, but on this one, you were wrong. Different people have different objectives and time horizons. Well, I disagree. We all have different time horizons, but we all have the same. We all come into this world with nothing. We all leave with nothing. And we're all on the same path. We're at different points in the journey, but we're all on the same path. We will all experience the markets going up. We will all experience the markets going down. Everyone has the same advantages. Everyone experiences the same things. Generally, of course, some people are born with illnesses. Some people are born in a war zone. Of course, everyone has different situations. I understand that. But it's how you live within your own world. For some, it is 100% better to move to cash in a bear market. No, it's never better to hold cash. Cash is trash. Cash earns you 0. I mean, if you believe in that, 22, if you believe in that cash, just hold cash, then stick it in Robinhood and earn 4%. Why don't you do that? Why wouldn't you do that? Why would you just hold your cash in the bank and let the bank have it for free? Get 4.4% just doing that. You haven't even got to do anything. And why don't you just buy the S&P and earn the dividends even if it goes down, and stock lend your stocks out at 1%. So even if you are buying in a bear market and your stocks keep going down, presumably you're only buying with money that you've got to spend anyway, that you're only going to spend on beer and cigarettes down the pub or whatever. You're buying the S&P, you're earning dividends, you're lending the stock out earning 1%, you're earning 4% in cash. Why would you, in uninvested cash, why on earth would you just stick the money in the bank and do nothing? That makes no sense. For you, I agree, you are better off averaging down because you don't need the money anytime soon. Only because, yeah, but why don't I need the money now? Because I didn't start investing until I invested in myself, paid off my car loan and bought my house. I didn't start investing first. I didn't start investing to pay off my house. I worked, paid off my house, $1 a day on $1 tips on the cruise ships, bought my house. When I own my house and I have no bills, I built the foundation to invest. I invest afterwards. So it's simple. I think it's just sacrifice, honestly. Sacrifice and dedication, if I'm honest. Sorry to spam your channel, Martin. Not at all. I love it. Carry on. How do you cover your energy bills? It must cost a fortune with all the cameras and lights. No, it doesn't. Every single thing in here runs off one 13-amp socket, which is powered by a solar battery. Down there, the left-hand side of me, there's a solar battery. And everything in here is LED, and it runs off one 13-amp socket, and it all gets powered off a solar battery. Look. This. Ego batteries. These are all battery packs. So, anyway, there we go. All by battery, Ewan. Indeed. Doesn't cost anything. Again, because I invested first in myself. Anyway. When I put solar on my roof, everybody thought I was an idiot. I said, why? Now I can power my house for free. Oh, you can spend that money on buying a new car. I said, no, I want to make my house run for free, and that's what I did. The optionality of cash is what makes it valuable. The optionality. ETORO, I've got options. See the cash in my account right there? There, look. See the cash right there? I can sell any of my shares. Most of my shares are up. If I go to the year to date, I'm up 7.5%. I could sell all my shares today, and I'm up. This year, I could sell all my shares and put all the money back in the bank to earn nothing. All I'm doing is, if I put my money in the bank, is allowing the Bank of America to borrow my money without paying me a penny for it. What is the sense of doing that? That was the life of Brian Mesquite, George Semaine. You need to charge the battery. You need to charge the batteries, Mike. Right? With the sun. Cash has been king. Why stick it in Robinhood? I bought bonds over a year ago. Why? Why do I put it in cash? Because I earn 4. I mean, I've answered that one. Serious Ewan, he uses a battery. Yeah, AMV will solve the energy crisis. I'm not an investor in AMV. Is there a UK border that offers 4%? Is there a UK broker that offers 4% on cash? I don't know, MSK. I don't know. I've got a super chat. And I will take that super chat and I will put it straight on the stock market. Thank you ever so much, Silver Surfer. Thank you ever so much, mate. Appreciate that very much indeed. Shall we do a celebration? Celebrate good time. Come on. Yay! Thank you ever so much indeed, mate. Appreciate it. Thank you so much indeed. If you can get some retweets on my pinned post, that's a bonus, but no pressure. I can do that. If you can get some retweets on my pinned post, that's a bonus, but no pressure. I can do that. Silver Surfer, hang on a minute. I can do that for you right now. Let me go to Silver Surfer. Let's do something for Silver Surfer. Let's make Silver Surfer famous, right? Here we go. Hey, released today. Wow. How did you make these pictures? Silver Surfer. We're going to make Silver Surfer famous now. He's one of our members. He's been here for the longest time. How long's he been now? What colour's his badge? Silver Surfer. How long have you been here now? Let me have a look. It's green. Yeah, he's been for 3 months. Been a member for 3 months. This is his NFTs. I like it. How did you make these? These images. Released on OpenSea today. Please review my collections. I will happily do that. There you go. And here we go. Let's make Silver Surfer famous today. Here we go. On everyone. There we go. To retweet his post. There you go. There you go, Silver Surfer. It's on 4 right now. Let's watch it go up. I want to see that go up to at least 6 likes and 6 retweets. Let's do it. I'll retweet it. I like it. Retweet. There you go. We're at 5 now. Okay. There we go. 6. Look at that. 6 retweets. Come on. We want likes as well. We don't just want that. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where's he gone? Where's his pin? There it is. What's going on here? What the heck? What the hell is going on here? Why is it going in and out? Right, there we go. 6 retweets. I need 2 more likes. We're helping Silver Surfer out here. There we go. 6 retweets, 4 likes. Help him out. Right, it's all run on his charger. Correct, Mike? See? All the skeptics. Never said in the bank doing nothing. You should be in bonds in the bear markets. I don't do bonds because it's boring to watch. I'm an entertainment YouTube channel, and if I bought bonds and I just sat on my bonds, right, today in our show, I'm leaving my bonds in the bank. That would be the end of the show. So for me, 22, you're right. And to be honest with you, 22, I need you to explain how bonds work. I don't know how they work. I've never spent 5 minutes reading into it. I need you to tell me how it works. There we go. Everyone's doing it now. There we go. Crypto Surfer, Silver Surfer, whatever your name is. You didn't tell me how you made them. Never said in the bank, but to say everyone should be in the market is wrong, I'm afraid. I don't agree. Because investing in the market is like investing in yourself. It's the best thing you can do. I stand corrected, said the man in the orthopedic shoes. UNO, you're absolutely fine. Everyone stands corrected here. They all come on and question me. They challenge me. They go, hang on a minute, what's going on? Someone came on the other day and went, you have not been to 195 countries. Oh, it was 22. I said, yes, I have. It took me 17 years. And he said, and I did it not over 17 years, but I toured for 17 years, right? He said it's impossible. It took someone 7 years to do it non-stop, and they're on a club of 200 people. I said, what club? Is there a book that you sign up when you're at school and they say, if you travel the world, you got to join this club? I didn't know about a club. I just got on and done it. And it shouldn't take 7 years unless you're walking it. I'm telling you, just fly around in a plane. No pressure. That means infinite pressure intended. Man walked into a bar with a frog on his head, and the barman asked, where did you get that? The frog says, it started as a boil in my arse. It's pretty good though. I'll give it a half a go. LOS Sparkles. Sparkles is here. Sparkles. I remember that the other day. He loves it. He loves being called Sparkles. Let me go back to Virgin Galactic. I want to take some profits. 328. It's just going sideways. Got to make some money on that. I doodle every day while watching you. Did you actually? You didn't draw those. No, seriously. You didn't draw those. There's no way you drew those. Tell me what's going on. Tell me what's going on. Did you actually? How did you make these? How did you actually make these? I want the real deal here. 9.99 super chat by AMV. Haha, you do own it now. AMV. Okay. Now, one of my members, George Semaine, you've got to be a member for this. George Semaine is a member. If you are a member and you want me to buy a stock and you give me a super chat, I have to buy it. All right, so here we go. Duplicate, AMV. I don't want to buy AMV, but I'm going to because I have to now. I've got no choice. Let's go back to Silver Surfer for a moment while that loads. There we go. I wanted to get him. Was it 6 likes I wanted to get him? Yeah, we've done it. We got 6 loves and 7 retweets. Happy? Don't say I don't ever do anything for you. I can't wait. I can't wait until I've got 100,000 subscribers and I can get everyone thousands of subscribers live on the show. Wouldn't it be great? Come on the show and say, Martyn, can you help me out? I need 1,000 retweets. And then go, there you go. I'd love to do it. Mr. Beast does it all the time. I want to do it. I think it's the best thing in the world. Right, AMV. AMV, here we go. Virgin Orbit's doing a little bit of movement right now. No idea why. Too risky. AMV. Let me have a look. AMV. Hang on a minute. Altis Motor Vehicles. It was AMV, you said, right? Right, let's have a little look. Is this the one? Is this AMV? Is this the one you're talking about? When did it? 22, September 22. Is this the one? Just confirm that's the one and I'll do it. Thanks, everyone. Hey, great content and artwork, Silver. Is that your girlfriend, Silver? A good one, Ewan. I wish. Never said you hadn't, but I queried. It's a pretty bold claim, you have to admit. Yes, it is a bold claim. But to me, it's just my life. To me, it wasn't... I want to make 1.22. It wasn't clever. It wasn't difficult. I got paid to travel the world. I didn't pay anything. I was booked everywhere. I just went everywhere for free. Everyone paid me. The only ever holiday I've ever paid to go on was Egypt and the Caribbean. Everything else has been free. So it wasn't hard. It wasn't clever. I just sat on my ass on a plane and went boom, 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 boom. And when I got off, sang a few songs. It wasn't hard. It wasn't a bold claim. It wasn't anything. I just said, I want to go around the whole world. And my agent just said, well, I got you a gig in Kenya. When I played in Kenya, they said, you want to go to, the next place? And I went the next place. And I just kept getting on a plane, sitting down, singing a song, going. It wasn't hard. Anyway, the jokes, the joke, not you, 22. The doodle image, I did it. LOL. Super chat celebration. Thank you, Ale. She wants celebration. I'm just about to buy some AMV here. I got to do this though. Super chat. Hey. I can't purchase with Ledger. Yes, AMV. Apart from the sheer number of countries to visit, there are just some tiny or remote inaccessible countries that makes it seem quite a challenge to visit. Not really. If it's just what you do, it's just what you do, innit? I mean, I sit here 10 hours a day. Most people would say that's mental. Most people would say, how do you sit there for 10 hours a day? Well, I just do. It's not hard, is it? I just do it. Right. They're on Polygon Network. I hope when the book is finished, they will all sell. Hopefully, they will sell on this show, Silver Surfer. Very nice. Good luck. I like it. Right, here we go. I've got how much did he give me? He gave me $10. Buy AMV. I'm going to do it on my phone because I'm being logged out, right? So I'm going to go to my Roth IRA and I'm going to go to AMV. I've got to buy it because I have to now. It's the law. All right. If someone gives me a super chat and says buy a stock, I've got to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video as well because it doesn't seem right just taking the money for no reason. All right, here we go. So let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. One of my members has just said to me, make me a video, promote AMV, and buy $10 worth of stock. He gave me a super chat, and I said, all right, then I'll do it. So here we go. We're going to do it live on the show. Altis Motor Vehicles, AMV. So here we go. We're going to go buy. We're going to do a limit order. We're at 60, we'll call it 67 cents. What the heck? A limit order, 67 cents. Boom, 67 cents. and continue, and in the extended hours, continue, today, continue, yes, number of shares, I got $10, so let's go, 10 is 670, so let's go 15, there we go, 15 shares, 10.05, review the order, and here we go, in the Roth IRA, $10, and we go submit to buy, and we've just bought it at a grand total of 67 cents, 10.05, 15 of 15, there you go. Boom, done. So I've got an average now of 20, whatever it was. Anyway, 67, there you go. Right. Done. That's in. Oh, it's going up. How come it's going up? I'm making money straight away. Unbelievable. That's the best trade I've ever done. I'm making money. How come that's happened? Anyway, what is AMV? I said I would make a video on it, so the least I could do is make a video on it. What is AMV? Well, Altis Motor Vehicles is a vertically integrated electrical vehicle technology ecosystem company. The firm provides next-generation battery solutions to electrify vehicles and equipment to work and provide the EV infrastructure needed to facilitate adoption of electric vehicles. Okay, let's have a closer look into it at the moment. I just bought it just because one of my members said, oi, buy it. So I did. That's how we do things here. And I've just made a profit. Can I sell it straight away, George Semaine? Lots of noise on StockWits about forthcoming AMV announcement. All right, let's scroll down. Let's have a quick look. It's up and down. I was up for a couple of seconds. Let's have a quick look. It was founded in 2016 in Arizona, 93 employees, a small company. Volume today, 7.63. Average volume, 1.2 million. So today is a lot of volume, obviously. Market cap 40 million. It's a small company. I could buy it myself if I fancied it. I'm only joking, by the way. Let me just change my background screen because I'm showing Silver Surfer's NFTs, which you might be interested on. Did you see them on the screen there? Very nice. Go and check them out. Go and check them out. The best NFTs you'll ever see in your life. And I'm expecting him to give me a free one. That way I'll promote it for him. It's up to him. You know, just think about it. There we go. Let's have a quick look down. I've just bought $10 worth, as you can see. Brilliant. Other people that buy this tend to buy Mullen, XELA, makes sense, BBBY, CIE, Rivian, Gove, makes sense, Arrival, Lucid, I would imagine Tesla's in there somewhere. Maybe, I mean, Tesla's a much more expensive stock, but never mind. Thought it might be in there, but it's not. Okay, so there you go. I've just bought some Altis AMV. Thank you very much indeed for that. If you are a member of my channel and you'd like me to promote a stock for you, you can't just manipulate stock. I'm a tiny little channel, but we are growing. Hope to be at 1 million views in 60 days and 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And that date is moving up all the time, and 100,000 within 2 years. Less than that now, actually. It's accelerating by the day. If you want to become a member of our channel, just join me here, and we're live 10 hours a day. And if you want me to promote a stock, I have to buy it. I can't just promote a stock for the heck of it. I don't want to be a pump and dump channel. We want to be the most honest channel on YouTube. Give me a super chat and say, oi, go and buy this stock, and I'll buy it, make a video, promote it, put it out to the world, and I'll put it on StockWits in a minute where George Semaine says there's a bit of noise around it as well. So there you go. Until next time. Before I go, though, would you like to win a $1,000 value prize? Of course you would. Click up here and it will take you to martynlucas.com/giveaway, or look below in the description of the video, and that's our giveaway page. And in a week or so's time, we're giving away, we're picking one lucky person, one ticket out of the hat, and if you win, you'll get $100 in cash and $1,000 of tuition minimum. I always like to say, undersell, over-deliver. It's worth way more than $1,000 because you're going to get 15 hours of one-on-one tuition with Ed Nevius, our scalp trader who scalp trades every morning on our show, and his tips are very often right, more often than not. And he's going to show you how he trades, how candles work, how charts work, 15 hours of one-on-one training, and then give you $100 to trade with your own real money. Absolutely great. If you want that, check it out. If not, join us back tomorrow, and we're live every single day, up to 10 hours a day. Let's see how my AMV goes. Very exciting. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. There you go. That's done. Bum 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 diddly bum bum bum. Let me just check what time that went out so I can edit it straight after the show. That went out at 1 hour 23. 1 hour 23. 1 hour. Oh, Sensei, are you in the chat? Are you in the chat? There we go. Sensei, are you in the chat? Lots of noise on StockWits. I will put it out on StockWits. Am I up? Am I making money? Just down very slightly. 67. 66. Just dropped a little bit. There we go. Anyway, whatever. All good. I like QuantumScape and Solid Power more. Well, unfortunately, Silver Surfer, it ain't your money, is it? It's George Semains. He said, I've got to buy that. I can make you an NFT. What do you want? Anything in the world. Will be a few weeks, though. Not your head on a J&J sign. Silver Surfer, I would love an NFT. And I'm about to relaunch my OpenSea NFTs, and I will gladly openly tell you here on the channel, if you make me an NFT and it starts to sell, which it will, half of my NFTs have sold already that I've got on OpenSea. Half of them are sold. You know how it works, right? Every time they sell, you get a commission. I will split the commission with you. So even though it's my account and it'll be my NFT that you'll gift to me, I will make sure that you receive money along the line. If it gets sold and resold, I will share the money with you because it only seems fair. If you make one for me and gift it to me, I will make sure that you get gifted back over and over again. So thank you very much for that. And thanks for the words for the song. I just haven't got around to doing it yet. April 17th. AMV live announcement, rumor of government contract. Yes, you are. Sensei, you are here. Do you want to call in and do a crypto challenge today? But also, it's arrived. All we're saying, Ali, it's arrived. Whatever it is that I was expecting to arrive, Ali, has arrived. That's all I'm saying. I will buy an NFT. Eric B is waiting to buy an NFT. Bloody marvelous. I tell you what, I wasn't gonna announce it yet. I was gonna keep quiet about it, but I can't keep quiet about it. I mean, why am I keeping quiet about it? There's no point, really, is there? I'm going to tell you. I mean, it's in the works, but I think you can buy one now. Anybody want to buy one? Is there any on sale? Click to join. In fact, here we go. Go and have a quick look. Here we go. The links have always been there. If you just looked, there you go. There's my OpenSea collection. Have a quick look. All right, there you go. Have a quick look, see what you want. They're not as fancy as they're not supposed to be. They're not as fancy as Silver Surfers. This is my first attempt at it. Anyway, there you go. Do it. Only thing stopping her is imagination. The Silver Surfer. Let's have a look. Thanks, Eric. Silver Surfer. He's talking about me, Silver Surfer, not you. He's talking about buying my NFTs, not yours. Don't get carried away with yourself. It's my show. Don't get carried away. He wants to buy my NFTs, right? My NFTs have got value, right? Right? The Silver Surfer, I think so too. My fiance is great at drawing. Trying to convince her to get into NFTs. Aha, great. Thanks, Silver Surfer. Do it. Only thing stopping her is imagination. Is right. Secret squirrels. What's going on with secret squirrels? Who's secret? What's going on? All right, time to go, innit? Time to go. I've got to put out that video. I think it is. I think it's time to go. Let's see if we can See what we can do with our little... let me just check here a minute. 50,008, yeah, we're still down. Destu day trader of the day. Roth IRA is going sideways. No surprise there. We're in the after hours now. There's not much going on. Okay. Have you sold anything on eBay lately? Yes, you know I have. Eric B, you know I have. Eric B yesterday. For those of you who don't know, we mentioned this yesterday. We are trying to get 10 reviews on eBay. The reason is, Ale, Patricia, people in England want to buy some stuff from the studio. We're going to sell things from the studio. And to do that, I need international selling. And to get international selling, I need 10 reviews. So I've got one of my rack cards here. It's laminated. It's really nice. And there it is. It's the Phantom of the Opera and the World Piano Man souvenir rack card. And it's just $1. Basically, I've made them as cheap as they humanly possible can be, so I can just get 10 reviews. That's it. All right? When they're gone, they're gone. All right? So if you want to go onto my eBay, I need 10 sales from the US and Canada, and then once I've got that, I can open it up to the world. That's the purpose of doing it right now. So you've got a chance to buy, the original stuff. All right. So Eric B, yes, you know I have. Tell us what came in secret. Tell us what came in secret squirrel. Tell us. I don't even know what that means. Ka-ching, good one. What's going on? Am I missing something? If you send your crypto, can you send NFTs? Yes. If I send you crypto, how does it work, Silver Surfer? If I send you crypto, can you send NFTs? How does it work? On Robinhood, you can receive NFTs, but you can't send it yet until next month. They're bringing that out as a new service. Look, this is how it works. I sent one of my NFTs to myself for the hell of it. But until like next month, apparently, you can't send them back out. Look, here's my wallet on Robinhood. Right, here's Robinhood. Look. There you go. Tell all of us what came in. I can't tell you. It's a secret. It's only for Sensei. You will find out soon. I wouldn't just do that and not tell you. Right, this is my Robinhood wallet. This is my custodial wallet. This is not Robinhood's account. This is my, look at my NFT. I've got one. Hey, there's my NFT. See it? There's my NFT. Right there. I sent it to myself. So there you go. What's in the secret package? I will tell you soon. But me and Ali Sensei have got a surprise, right? I can't tell you what it is yet, right? Because it ain't ready. All I can say is, it's arrived. Sensei, it's arrived. All I'm going to say is, Leah's not impressed. Never get into NFTs. Hate getting into something in the peak of a bubble. Yeah. If you send your crypto, you can send NFTs. How does it work? You only have NBA Top Shots. I don't know what only have NBA Top Shots means. I'm trying to buy Martyn in your NFT, but I need a Matic wallet. Yes, what I've done is I've created my on OpenSea, which is regarded as the main NFT store. If you don't know, I've done it on the Polygon Ethereum network. Polygon is the cheapest way of doing it. And the reason why I did that is so you guys can get the cheapest NFTs, right? Now, once you do it the first, if you've never bought an NFT, if you've never got onto the Polygon network, there's like a little fee. But once you're on, that's it. It's like 0.0001 gas fee. It's the cheapest way once you start doing it. So that's why, I've done it that way. I've done it so it's best for you. That's how I work, right? Okay. You told Senza, I'm trying to buy Martyn and your NFT, but I need a Matic wallet. Yes. What is the secret package? I've already told you. Stop asking me. Martyn, can you sing Ed Sheeran songs? I could learn Perfect for you. I could learn that one. I could learn that one for you, MSK. Where do we have to leave a comment, Martyn? Sorry, I've not heard. Where do you have to leave a comment? All right, then. Alrighty, then. You want to leave a comment? I'll give you a comment. Here we go. Profile. Hang on a minute. Here. This is where you got to leave. Oh, my flipping God. Look at this. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe that Silver Surfer has made it on the homepage of my Twitter channel. Look. There's my Twitter. And he's right there, look. Top thing. He's right there. Right on my thing. Where you got to leave a comment is here. That's where you've got to leave a comment on this video here. Copy link to tweet. There you go. You've got to leave that. Ale and Patricia, have you done the competition yet? The giveaway, the $1,000 value giveaway. Have you done that? There you go. Every day we add extra points. Have you done that? 572 tickets have gone out now. Remember, you only need one to win. $100 in cash and 1,000. No, it doesn't look like you've done it, girls. Ale and Patricia. I tried to make an offer, but MetaMask playing up on my phone. I'll make an offer tomorrow. Yes. Make an offer. $5,000, right? No offers accepted under $5,000. It's a Johnson. It's a Johnson extended device. What? Is it a Johnson extended device? No, it's not. It's new shorts for swimming. No, it's not bloody new shorts. Why does it say click? Why does it say click join? Why does what say click join? I don't know what you mean. Can you learn Shooting Star by Bad Company? Shooting Star. I could. I don't know if I've got time right now, though. I adore Ed songs. Run unto the hills, Silver. I'm famous now, he said. Famous hell. You're a bloody icon now. He is. For about 3 minutes. Shall I post something? I need to post something just to knock him off top spot. I need to do a tweet just to get Silver Surfer off his top spot. I'm sorry. He can't sit there for long. Thanks, Martyn, for the tweet out. Mate, it's my absolute pleasure, and I can't wait to do more. I can't. It's the one thing that drives me on more than anything else. I want to have millions of subscribers so I can just help everybody. That's one of the most exciting parts. Thank you for the super chat. I've got to go, folks. I've got to make some videos. So let me just celebrate my latest super chat from... It's not a member. It's a super chat. I don't know why I pressed that one. There we go. That's the one I meant to do. Thank you so much indeed. Good God. Hang on, what's going on? I will super chat you. If you could sing a few lines from Ed Sheeran, perfect. I will super chat you. Hang on then. Have I got my thing? Hang on, let me go over here. Hang on then. Have I got it? I wasn't prepared. I not really know it, but I might be able to work something out. Hang on. It is after hours, right? We are after hours, right? We are after hours. Spotlight. Go over here a minute. I don't remember. Hang on a minute. I don't think I know it. Let's have a look a minute. Where's the spotlight gone? Oh, it's not turned on, is it? There you go. Always turn everything on in the morning because you never know when you're going to need it. Golden rule. Let me have a look. Spotlight. I'm in the dark because I've got nothing turned on. That's the one time I come over here into this part of the show It's not turned on. Ed Sheeran. Have I got anything there? Perfect. Let's have a look. How's it go? All right. Hang on. All right. Bloody hell. I can't believe I'm going to do it. 10 seconds then. Here we go. Right. Hang on then. Piano, mic. Right. I don't really know this. I've never really learned it. I've never learned it. Right. I was all right. I don't really know it, but I'll give it a go. All right. This is I've no idea how much of a super chat I'm going to get for a song I don't really know. But he said, if you sing a few lines of Ed Sheeran, perfect, I will give you a super chat. All right, here we go. I found love for me, darling, I dive right in, follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful, sweet. I never knew you were someone waiting for me. Baby, dancing in the dark, it's between you and my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I don't really know it, I'm just learning it, right? I found love for me, darling, I dive right in, follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were someone waiting for me. This is how a song starts. It starts like this. Fell in love, knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Baby, I know I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. Said you love to mess underneath my breath. Heard you, darling, perfect tonight. Anyway, I'll learn it and I'll get it right. For the effort, gotta hand it to you. I'll get it right. It's a great song. I hope I don't get flagged for copyright. I never do that in this show. Anyway, hopefully I won't get flagged for copyright. We should be all right. Right, let me go back over here a minute. I think I turned it off. All right. Barefoot on the grass. All right, that'll do. There you go. Not too bad. It's kind of, I don't really know it, but I'm getting there. Okay, never sung that before. Let's scroll down here. No, we didn't, Martin, so sorry. Thank you very much, much needed for asking us, by the way. Hey, Ale, I want you to win. I want you to win $100, and I want you to have the 15 hours of support. So go to the chat. This is our giveaway page, and take part. And every day I release new chances to win. Remember, you only need one ticket to win. All right, one ticket to win. And what you've got to do. Hang on, here we go. What you got to do is turn all these numbers of tickets into ticks so you win them all. All right, and every day I add a few more. All the information's there. Please read it so you understand what it is. Let's see if it's gone up a little bit. 572, wasn't it? 572, something like that. It's the same. Okay, so I'll leave that with you, and I'm sure you can work it all out. All right. Okay. Let's leave him on top spot for 24. Leave him on top spot for 24 hours. UNO. Shall I do that? I still got more followers though for now. Yeah, I've only just started, Silver Surfer. Don't you start on me, mate. I've only just. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I've only just started. Let's have a little look. How many have you got? Right, I've got 594. I've been doing it for 5 bloody minutes. Let's have a look at you. Silver Surfer. 1,800. 1,000. Okay, can I just give you, you're my friend, right? And I always try to help everybody, right? Let me just give you a tip. Since 2004, how long have you been around? How old's the count? I don't know. Anyway, is a top tip. If you want to grow, it's just like anything. It's just like YouTube, TikTok, it's the same. You put the work in, do great content. You always, and what your work here is brilliant. Those NFTs are brilliant, way better than mine. I mean, these are really good. Really good, right? Don't try and gain followers just by following people. I'm just saying, because what it does, it shows engagement on your channel would be low. Because if you've got 1,851 followers, and I'm pretty sure because you followed 4,800, right? Because you followed that many people, they followed you back. So that isn't 1,500 engaged people. So what it says to Twitter, the same as YouTube, you got 1,500 followers. So you should be getting, 1,000 likes, 1,000 retweets. And you haven't, and you don't. So they don't suggest it as much. I know it's tempting to follow everybody just so you get followers back, but you want people that want your content, and you want Twitter or YouTube or whatever to push that out. And you don't want a low click-through rate. You don't want a low engagement rate. You want a high engagement rate. You're much better off having 10 followers that follow everything that you do. So my advice to you is start creating 4 or 5 Twitter posts every day. Great content. And only follow the ones you can engage with. Can you engage with 1,000? You're following 4,000 people. Can you engage with 4,000 people? I'm guessing probably not. So they've all followed you back, which is great, but no one's engaging in anything. Because if there was, you would have 1,000 retweets, and most of your retweets have come from my guys who are all supporting you. So it's like everything in life. You get what you put out. You get out what you put in, and you've got great content here, and it deserves to be seen. But it's very, very hard to get everyone to watch. So just start slowly, and the best thing you can actually do is follow me, because I'm going to promote you. People that you follow are there to support you, not just to be a number on a screen, because that number on a screen will go against you. Anyway, that's my penny's worth to you. Take it or leave it. Music. That's why I don't follow. I only follow a handful of people. I'm here to help everybody that I engage with, but I don't follow everybody, because that would just destroy my channel. Have a quick hash at the J&J song. No, not right now. Silver, I've got to get off. Bloody hell. Malk. I agree, Eric. He just went behind the curtain of Oz. We want the music show. Music. Your video is very stuttery. Over on Twitch it is, because I'm streaming in 4K. That's why. Over on Twitch you need to downgrade the quality. It's only twitching on Twitch. Because Twitch doesn't like 4K. If you lower the resolution, it fixes it. You just got to lower the resolution. That's all you've got to do, and it will fix it. All right? I'll share with you what I mean. Look. Here is Twitch. See, it's all shaking. Look, it's all shaking, look. See it? It's all shaking. Twitch can't cope with my 4K stream. So what you do is you go to the little cog, settings, quality, and you downgrade it. All right, I can't do it on here because this is the player. I'm sent the broadcaster. You go into the channel and you can change the settings in your thing, and that will lower it. Okay, it's because anyway, you should be watching me on YouTube anyway. YouTube is far better. YouTube can broadcast in full in the highest resolution, right? Anyway, just saying. You need to sing it perfectly. It's a trick, Martin. Very, very good. I hope not, Ewan. Sensei Crypto LOL. Super chat for the effort. Got to hand it to you. Thank you much indeed. Let me do thank you ever so much for that super chat. That was bloody awesome. Celebrate. Here we go. Let's do a super chat celebration. MSK, can I sing for you too? You might as well, mate. Get $20. Brilliant. There's a super chat. There you go. Thank you so much indeed. Appreciate it, mate. It's your first time. That's amazing. I'll learn it. Encore, said Mike. Let's all stand up and clap. Respect for the total improv. Have a quick dry run on the Giants. Not tonight, mate. You're an entertainer, Martin. I do my best. Learn it. I'll learn it. That's talent right there, mate. Thank you. Need to get ready for the trip to Greece next summer, Martin. Oh, need to get ready for the trip to Greece next summer. What was that? You're going to Greece next summer. Dry run. J&J song. Chaz and Dave style. Okay, I'll tell you what. Let's have a look. Ed Sheeran comes to me for local lessons. Brilliant. In all honesty, I asked Martin to sing because he's a great singer, but to improve like that without knowing, to improv like that without knowing the song got him the tip. Thank you. Didn't I teach you though, MSK? Be humble, Ewan. I'm the most humble man on the planet. Second, Ewan, I'm number one. Day trader of the day. Okay. Let me do a poll. Let me do a quick poll. And here it is. Quick poll. Shall we have, and I'll learn perfect by Friday. Shall we do a concert on Friday after closing bell? Shall we do a concert on Friday after closing bell? And I'll learn Perfect by Ed Sheeran. I'll actually learn it. All right? Which would be kind of good. All right? And we'll do a concert. Anybody up for that? Wedding? Well, here's the deal, Sensei. I've done a lot of weddings in my time. I've sang at people's weddings on the big screen while they walk down the aisle. Love is All Around from Love Actually. I do all of that. Time to Say Goodbye, Andre Bocelli, all that stuff. Lady in Red, all of it. Wonderful Tonight. You know what you want to do, Sensei? You want to have me on a big screen in the church, and I will sing a special song for the bride and bridegroom. Oh, yeah. As a member of my channel, you can have a concert. As a member, you can get it on the big screen as my gift to you. You don't have to pay me $500 like others people do. You get it for free. All right, learn J&J. It'll be funny. All right. Yeah. I'm on nights Friday. Oh, flipping out. Poor old Silver Surfer. He always misses it. I'm just playing with you, Owen. I'm not humble at all. I love how people go, no. I get 3 votes. No, we don't want your music. No, don't want it. We do not want your music. Don't want any music on Friday night. If you don't want it, just don't turn up. I used to get upset about stuff like that. Now I don't care. People just say, my mum always said to me, if you can't see nothing nice, don't do nothing at all. If you don't want it, don't watch it. I never down-like anyone's videos in person. You want me in person, do you? Well, that'll cost you money. Oh, see, I was going to do it for free. But if you want me to fly across the world, oh, that's going to cost you big money. That is. That's going to cost you. That is. I feel like Ricky Gervais. That's going to cost you. Yeah, that's going to cost you money. That is. You can't afford me to fly across the world. Right. Day trader of the day. Day trader of the day. For those who don't want my content tomorrow, don't worry. You don't have to go. I'm doing it anyway. All right. I'm doing it anyway. So if you go no, it don't make no difference. I'm doing it anyway. Please your bloody self. I'm still doing it. Right. Okay. Learn J&J. It'll be funny. Right. I think we're done. Day trader of the day. Can we get Virgin Galactic sold yet? No. No is the answer to that question. No is the answer to that question. How much would you charge Sensei for an in-person performance? Well, depends where it is. If it's down the road, it's a lot cheaper than it is if on the other side of the world. I would tie it into having a holiday at home in England. So mates rates. Yep, definitely mates rates. Yep, that's part of being a member. That's part of being a sponsor. You get mates rates for everything. Wasn't that Ronan Keating? Do you want to hear the impression? U&O, do you want to hear the impression? I could do 14 voices in 7 different languages. Is Ronan Keating. My Irish accent, you hear it? Ready? Here we go. All right. It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. What do you reckon? It's amazing how you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I can never forget what I thought. What's the words now? Yeah. I need the words. That on my face, I know that you need me. The thought of your hand that would ever leave me. The touch of your hand said you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best, and you say nothing at all. Eric Clapton. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? So Paul McCartney. When I find myself in time of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. What else we got? Michael Jackson. Another day is gone. I'm still all alone. Though you're far away, I am here to stay. What else? What else have we got? Andre Bocelli. Time to say goodbye. Su navi per Marie che la soy. No, es con il pie con me. I don't know. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. All right, that'll do. That'll do. All right, let's finish the show. Day trader of the day. Bought a phone case and dollar card 2 on eBay. Bought an iPhone case and a dollar card 2 on eBay. Did you? Why are you telling me this? Stephen Lewandowski, why are you telling me this? Why are you telling me today you bought a dollar card on eBay? Leah went to Kroger. She's bought a pint of milk. Anybody want to know that? Why are you telling me this stuff? Bought an iPhone case today and a dollar card on eBay. What? Where'd that random comment just come on? Did anybody else go out today to Walmart and buy any cornflakes? Anybody? Anybody want to share that? Hello, is this live? Mohammed Saber. Is this live? Well, I think so. Mohammed Saber, I'm talking to you right now. MSK, let's hear it. UNO says, let's hear it. Better than Ronan. There you go. Better than Ronan. There you go. Of course it's better than bloody Ronan's. Live YouTube, innit? Any way to close the screen and just listen? Any way to close the screen? What, you mean shut your laptop down? Probably not. Great Macca impression. Thank you. Is that MJ with the hiccups? Yeah, something like that. Ronan Keaton. That's, what's that? Boyzone. Damn, that makes me back to my toddler days. Hey, MSK. Oh, Martin, now you're just showing off. Yeah, I know. Just showing off, innit? Amateur to fly to Europe for wedding. Ballpark. Need to start saving up. Well, Sensei, if you can tie it up, if you're being serious, I come back to the UK in the summer. I just tie it up with my UK holiday. So I'm already in the UK. So, you know, I'll help you out, mate. We'll have a conversation off air. Probably best to have that conversation off air. Or, I mean, we could just go into the, you know, live on my YouTube show. We could just talk to you about your gig if you want. I don't know. Maybe we should do it off air. That'll do, pig. LOL. Yeah, Stephen Lewandowski. I bought 5 kilograms of lumpwood charcoal yesterday off Amazon and it arrived today. Incredible times we're living in. Bloody hell. Hey, Leah, what did you buy? What did you buy at Kroger last time you visited? Some bread. Leah bought some bread. All right. Anybody else? Anybody else? Leah bought some bread. She wasn't very impressed with saying that. She thought, why am I sharing this information? I think we're all right, though. I don't think it's going to be too much of a problem if anyone knows that we bought some bread. All right, there we go. We bought some bread the other day. Anybody want to know any advances on bread? Right, day trader of the day. I'm out of here. Getting silly again now. I can't be doing all this nonsense. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the songs. You know, super chats, muchly appreciated. If I was on the street right now and I just done that on the street, you'd all throw me $1 at least, wouldn't you? You would, wouldn't you? If you walked past the street right now and you heard me sing 5 impressions live like that, as good as that, you'd all give me $1, wouldn't you? So if you didn't give me $1, shame on you. Go home tonight and think, you know, I feel bad now. I do feel bad. He was on air for 10 hours today, and I didn't even give him $1. Anyway, don't show how to contact. Don't show how to contact you off air. Need to keep everything honest and transparent on this show. We're all here for the bread. There you go. I got Cocoa Pop cereal bars the other day. I think basically we're all having a go at Stephen Lewandowski. He's thinking, bloody hell, I thought this was my family. I thought I could share the fact that I bought a phone card. I thought I could share it. I didn't think that I'd go on YouTube, say to somebody, I bought a phone card. I thought everyone would just go, well, that's nice. No, it went into all-out assault on me buying a phone card. Stephen Lewandowski, you need to keep it in context, mate. You know, I know we're all family here, but could you imagine if you went round your mum's house and knocked on the door and just walked in, your mum, your dad, they're all sitting there, and you went, I bought some jam and some cheese today, and then walked out. People would go, did Stephen just come round the house to say he bought some jam and cheese? Does anyone know what that's about? People wouldn't understand it. And that's your family. Your actual living, breathing family. We're the YouTube family. So you pop in and say, I bought a phone card off eBay. Everyone's thinking, right, it makes no sense. You've got to give some context to it, Stephen Lewandowski. Right, bloody hell. You've got to explain these things to people, ain't you? No, from phone. I listen to it on headphones while doing yard work. Do you? Tuner sub 11. He's listening to me on his headphones. I love it. Right now, where are you from, Tuner Sub? Where in the world are you? Tuner Sub is somewhere in the world right now. Right? I don't know where he is. He's out in the garden doing his weeding with headphones on, listening to me. What sort of life does this man have? What sort of life is this? What sort of life is it when you are in the garden doing your weeding and you've got me in your ear hole? I'm not so sure that's healthy for you. I think you should be listening to the birds whistling and the breeze. But I appreciate you being here, because every 20 minutes, hopefully, your phone will play an ad and I will earn 1 cent every time that happens. So carry on. I can just visualize. I can visualize him. He's looking down at the weeds now thinking, I can't believe it. I'm looking at the weeds, picking up the weeds as he's telling me I'm looking at the weeds. Can he see me? Is he in that tree? No, I'm a million miles away in my YouTube studio. Don't worry, you're safe. I'm not behind the tree. You're perfectly fine. Or am I? He'll never do yard work again. I usually make it silly. What's going on, my prodigies? What's going on, Silver Cert? Retired, nothing else to do. Not this summer, next summer. Okay, next summer, I'm up for it. I went for a run earlier and listened to you. Did you? While you were running? Come on. One more. That's how I trained for the London Marathon. Do you know what I trained to the London Marathon listening to? Listening to... what was he? Sullivan. Somebody else. Gilbert O'Sullivan. Gilbert O'Sullivan. Really happy, fun music. I had Gilbert O'Sullivan in my Walkman. That's how old I am. In my iPod or whatever, on my phone, while I was running, training for the marathon. Yep, Gilbert O'Sullivan. Today, I bought brioches. Lovely me, and ale at them all. Lovely. Tie it in with Lucas, me up 24, Ali. That's it, tie it in. Save money. Ali, get married in Newquay. I'll be there. Everybody will come. Basically, Ali, what you've got to do, right, is get married where I am. Where I'm going to be, move the wedding. Move the wedding. Forget where you want it to be. Move it to where I'm going to be. I will bring everybody with me. You'll get free entertainment, and you get all the family turn up. Forget where you want to get married. Get married where I'm going to be. I've got YouTube Premium. Hey, just because you got YouTube Premium, I still make money out of you, because the money you pay for YouTube Premium comes to me. Every 20 minutes, 1 cent comes to me. Don't worry about that, UNO. Still get money out of you. New Jersey, but I asked, can I close the screen and still listen? You're that good. Can't stop listening. Can't stop listening? Tuna Sub says, I can't stop listening. I can't stop listening. Do you know the secret? Do you know the secret to YouTube or any broadcaster? Make everybody else the star. I'm telling you now. The secret is make everybody else the star. If you just talk about yourself, look at me, I'm great, blah, blah, blah. No one's interested. Make everybody the star. Bring everybody in. Mention everyone's name. Everyone loves their name mentioned on the telly. Because you're on the telly right now, right? This is the telly. Everyone loves their name mentioned. Ronnie O'Sullivan, good runner too. Is he? Not Ronnie O'Sullivan, Gilbert O'Sullivan, but Ronnie O'Sullivan's good at snooker. Right, I've got to go. Day trader of the day. Enough of this debacleness. Enough of the gardening going on. People running around, headphones. Right. Enough of this nonsense. Down 0.93. I'm going because no one gave me a super chat for all my impressions. Forget it. It's no good. Nothing. People are too busy doing the gardening and going for runs. I'm sitting here for free. This cannot continue on the light of that news. I mean, you got Ali trying to get me to play for free in Greece. No. Enough of this. Right, this is my show. I'll do what I want. Here we go. So, day trader of the day. Down 0.93. Yeah, you can cry. You can cry, Mike. You can cry. Makes no difference. I'm not having it. Right, here we go. Day trader of the day. Here we go. Put it on the screen. Say my name. Say my name. What kind of bread? Who cares what kind of bloody bread it was? Probably, what do you call it? What's that bread we have? Leah buys this bread with like bits in it. What's it called? I don't bloody know. Some sort of vegetable in it. I don't know what it's bloody called. There you go. Swanganess. Swanganess came on. It took someone to come from Norway for me to get a super chat. So I'm gonna call out Norway now, because at the very least, let's do it. Where is it? Let me change this now. English, right? That's because that's the language I speak. Translating it into Norwegian. Swanganess had to come in and give me a super chat. Here we go. Here we go. So Swangan S. Hang on. I'm going to change that. Swangan 77. Swangan 77. I'm so glad you turned up. I've been singing. I've been doing all sorts here. And finally, it took a friend from Norway to put things right. Thank you very much for your super chat. Life can move on again. These other people, miserable buggers. I tell you, thank you very much. Right, this is in Norwegian now. You ready? Norwegian. Here it comes. You like this one?
Svangan 77, jeg så glad for at du dukket opp, jeg har sunget, jeg har gjort alt mulig her, og til slutt tok det en venn fra Norge for å ordne opp. Tusen takk for at superchat-livet kan gå videre igjen, disse andre mennesker miserable buggers, jeg sier deg tusen takk.
Good, isn't it? Oh yeah. There you go. So, Brickmark, 1 minute on the clock. 1 minute on the clock. I'm going. I'm out of here. I've been working too hard today. I can't even do it. It's not even going to let me do it. Doesn't matter. Well, yes, it is. Go on, play. Play, you bugger. Right, here we go. I'm down 0.93. Up. Up 0.48. Ooh, 25. That is $2.50. In case no one knows, it's $2.50. I'd super chat you, but I only have $4 a day and I don't have any solar powered battery. I live in Scotland. I'm down 1.54. It's about $2.50. Down 2%. Good God, bloody hell, bread. Yes, here he is with his good God. Hello all, just joining now. Keaton S, you've missed the best show ever in the history of the world. Best show ever. No question about it. We've had people here running. We've had people doing all sorts. Anyway, you've missed the best show. Too late now. See you in Greece. See you in Greece. Nice and oily. I went to Greece once. I ran round the amphitheatre in ancient Athens, and I also ran around the. I'll just show you. Here we go. I'll just show you. Look, here we go. This is for all the skeptics who go, he didn't travel anywhere. He hasn't been anywhere. I don't believe a bloody word of it. I got some pictures from Greece, I think. Hang on. Here's me running around. Running around. Here you go. Look at this. We get messing around here, look. Ooh. You ready? Okay, who won then? Who won? Who won the, who won? Down 1.4, up 0.48. Brickmark. Brickmark is the winner. Brickmark, here we go. Brickmark, congratulations, you're the winner. Thank you very much indeed for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. Give him the sound effects. He's getting it all tonight. He's getting it all tonight. Sound effects. Thumbs up. There you go. Sound effects. Here it comes. There you go. Brilliant. It's especially for you, Brickmark. Congratulations. Here's the, here we go. Look. So this is me in Greece, right? This is the modern, stadium, right? There I am, look, running around the stadium in Greece. Oh yeah, look, and then I went out into the ancient part of Greece, and hang on a minute, I want to show you. Is it, what's it called? Is it Olympia? It's called Olympia, I think it's called. Yeah, it's not, yeah, here it is. This is Olympia. I ran it again. Now, this is the ancient part of Greece now, right? This is the old part. There you go. I'm running again. Always bloody running from that bloody tax man. Look, there you go. There you go. There's me running around there. Look, bit more running going on. This is the amphitheater. This is the old Greece. That's the entrance to the stadium 2,000 years ago. There you go. So there's a bit of Greece there for you. Anyway, thank you, Swanganess. Hang on a minute. Wrong one. Back over here. Try that again.
Svangan 77, jeg så glad for at du dukket opp, jeg har sunget, jeg har gjort alt mulig her, og til slutt tok det en venn fra Norge for å ordne opp. Tusen takk for at superchat-livet kan gå videre igjen, disse andre mennesker miserable buggers, jeg sier deg tusen takk.
Give my any effed up scenario NFT and I'll try make a dry run tomorrow. Silver Surfer, I don't understand what you mean. I can try, Eric. Love your videos. Robbie Cooper, I was a member before, but took a break from trading. I'm back for the long run. Keep it up. Robbie Cooper, are you back? Are you back as a member, though? Robbie Cooper, hang on. Is Robbie Cooper a member? Can I even speak to Robbie Cooper? Is he a member? Where is he? Where is he? Scroll up. Robbie, I can't even find him. Robbie Cooper's not a member. Is Robbie Cooper a member? Is he? I don't see it. I don't see it. Hang on. Robbie Cooper. No. I don't see it. I don't see it. Here we go. Anyway, I've got to go. I'll wait for you if you want to become a member, and then I'll give you our competition. We're giving away our biggest and best ever, $1,000 value competition. Do you want to win it? $100 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one tuition with our trader and investor, Ed Nevius. Do you want to win it? Those were the days, Martin. Eric, I can still run like that, I tell you. Eric challenged me to do a piano with broken string for you, Martin. I'll get it done as soon as possible. I'll post it on OpenSea. Eric challenged me to do a piano with broken string for you, Martin. I'd love it. And post it on OpenSea. If you'd like it, that is. If you like it, that is. Of course I will like it. I'll bloody love it, won't I? Congratulations, Mark. Buy some bread and good creamy butter. Right, that's it. I'm out of here. Robbie Cooper. Hang on a minute. Is that a member? Did I miss something? Robbie Cooper. Did I miss it? He's silver. I missed it. Bloody missed it. Robbie Cooper. I missed it. Hang on a minute. Literally 2 minutes. I am a member. Just got it. I missed it. Where was I? Where was I? How come I missed it? Right. Have you been a member before? We need to give you all your benefits. We need to give you benefits. Here we go. Here we go. Member. Let's give him all his benefits. Boom. Right. Let's give him his benefits. Hang on. Let's bring it back to here. So, Robbie Cooper. Love to have you back. Welcome back, Robbie. See, they can't stay away, can they? They try. They go for a while, then they come back. They always come back in the end. So let me stop this bloody music a minute. Sound effects. Right. Robbie. First of all, your badge is yellow. So you've been a member for a while, but you've come back, right? I want to make sure that you've got everything. So you can have a 20-minute fundraiser, a poll. You can ask me to buy a stock, ask me to make a video for you. I'll do all those things for you. You can also have access to our Discord. Are you on Discord? Do you need upgrading? Let me give you the Discord link. If you're not on Discord, if you are on Discord and you're already upgraded, that's fine. I don't know because you've not been here for a while. But I'll upgrade you so you can get all the perks and benefits. And We'll do our crypto challenge tomorrow. We're on a $1,000 to $10,000 crypto challenge. Let me give you Sensei's Discord website so you can go and check it all out, and you can learn all about our... let me just remove that a second. I'm going to confuse you otherwise. Let me remove that. That's Sensei's. Let me just remove that for a second because you're trying to get on my Discord first. Let me do that first. Sensei, sorry, Robbie Cooper, are you already a member? Are you already on Discord? Let me just give you the link. And I was so busy with work. I took a break to focus on that. Your videos are great, Martyn. No other YouTuber like it. That's right, mate. Best YouTuber in the world. Best YouTube channel in the world. You know it. That's why you're a member. That's why you're a member. Brilliant. Bloody marvelous. So are you on... let me go to Discord right now. Welcome all. Do I need to upgrade you? Just tell me, are you already upgraded on Discord or do you need it doing? Because I'll do it right now. If so, go into Discord and go into welcome all, just so I can check and upgrade your account. Here is Discord. Here's the welcome all. Here's the welcome all. Look, scroll down and just come in here. Just come in here. Hi, Robbie. Okay? If you come in there, I will update your account live on the show and all the rest of it. All right? Let's give him a minute and then I'm going to go. Let's give him a minute. Oh, you are. You are already on there. So you're already upgraded. You've already got your account. You're already good. I've upgraded you before. Brilliant. Then I don't need to bother then. Right, good. That's it. I'm out of here. I will see you all back in the morning. If you've not, I put a message in general chat in Discord. General chat. Okay, let me go in there now. Let me make sure. Robbie Cooper. There he is. Robbie Cooper. Now then. He's got the right name. Is he a member? Can he see all the perks? Roles. Yes, he is. Are we friends? Are we friends? I don't know. Add friend. Add friend. There you go. There you go. I only friend the members so people can know who to trust on the channel. Robbie, look out for any scammers. There's lots of them try to come onto my channel and pretend to be me. They're not me. Right. I'm going to leave you now, Robbie, because you've been away. This is our biggest and best ever giveaway. If you do win and you don't want the $100 and you don't want the training, you can always donate it to somebody else. But it's 15 hours of one-on-one training and $100 in cash. There's the giveaway. Here it is. You've got 15 days left to take part in it. Every day I give new opportunities to win tickets. One ticket is all it takes to win, but if you want more tickets, you can. And every day I add new opportunities. There's the daily thing going on and different videos. Let tomorrow be a green day, crystal ball. Let me have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at my crystal ball. Let's see what my crystal ball says. I'm looking into my crystal ball now then. What do we see here today? Yesterday. In fact, let's do it like this. Let's do my crystal ball like this. I'll be behind the crystal ball. There we go. That's even better. That's even better, isn't it? Is that even better? I don't know. Is it better? Looking into my crystal ball. Well, what do we see in our crystal ball today? Today was a interesting day. We had a CPI report coming in good. However, it wasn't great. And the market priced in good. It got good. So it popped and sold off. People took profits. It's okay. I think everyone's waiting to see what happens with the banks. Going sideways is great. I like sideways because you can trade up and down, make some money, and add to your positions along the way. Do I see tomorrow turning green? Yes, I bloody well do. I see my portfolio being green tomorrow. I think today we've overreacted, as we always do. Sold off. Hopefully tomorrow we might get news of the Friday flight to Virgin Galactic. I'm just saying. It's an 80% chance that's going to happen. Right, that's it for me. No more of this. I'm out of here. End screen. Roll the credits. It's going to be good tonight. It's going to be good. Lots of super chats. Lots of super chats. Here we go. Roll the music. Roll the credits. Let's get out of here. We've got a poll which says 30 people do not want a concert tomorrow night. They do not want music tomorrow night. 10 of you do. So tomorrow night on my other channel, on Friday night, I'm going to be in my music channel and only 10 of you are invited. If you voted no, you're not allowed in. You're not allowed in. I'm going to be doing songs just for those who wanted it. The rest of you, you can bugger off. You're not invited. All right? There you go. If you put no, you can't come in on Friday. Go home, Martin. I'm already home. I live here. I can't go anywhere. All right. Super chat. Silver Surfer, George Semaine, AL Drummer, MSK, Eric B, Swangan 77. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you to all of you over there on TikTok. I love it. Do you know about the binary trading bot trading, sir? No, I wouldn't use any trading bot. Not interested in that. Just do it myself. Know nothing about it. I'm sorry I can't be of any help towards that. All right, that's it. See you later, folks, on TikTok. Let me end it now. Bye-bye. See you back in the morning. Everybody on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, everywhere else. Ta-ra for now. Let me end it on Livestreamer Cafe. End the show. Boom. There we go. End the show. End show. Done. Right. That's it. See you all back in the morning. Have a lovely evening. Go for a walk. Do a bit more gardening. Go for a run. Rewind one of my videos. But the most important thing is, tomorrow I want to be at 3,200 watch hours on my music channel. I need your help. There's my music channel. Pick a playlist. Loop it. Keep it going all night. I need to get to 3,200 watch hours. If I lose my monetization, I can't do fundraiser concerts. I can't do live shows. There's no point. YouTube won't promote it. Help me out. There's my music channel. Pick a playlist. Let it run. We're on 3,100. We've got to get to 4,000. Tomorrow, let's be on 3,200. Don't leave it all to Mike and Stephen Lewandowski. That's it from me. Have a lovely evening. Till tomorrow, you know where to be. The best YouTube channel in the world. Take care of yourselves, your money, your crypto, and each other. Bye-bye for now.